for 24 hours. And honestly, I didn't expect this. Some of these tools are insanely powerful, but one of them completely surprised me. First, TypeDream. It built a clean website in just a few minutes. No coding, no effort. Honestly, this felt way too easy. Next, Poe AI. It lets you use multiple AI models in one place, like having everything together. Super useful if you use AI daily. Then, Cleanup AI. I removed objects from photos instantly, and it looked completely natural. No editing skills needed. After that, Fireflies AI. It recorded and summarized meetings automatically. No notes, no stress. This one is actually a huge time saver. Finally, Teal AI. I created and improved my resume in minutes, something that normally takes hours. Some of these tools feel unreal, but also insanely useful. Which one would you actually try? Follow for more.